Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're at E-Trade and I'm going to sell a covered call on Stellantis. Let's see how that goes. Let's do a trade. We're going to do options trade. Alright, select from Stellantis. November is the next expiration, so let's go with that one. Sell to open. We're going to do 2. And select the price and term. We're going to do a limit for 90 cents. And term is today. Alright. Let's make sure all this information is correct. You can see we're going to make about 178. Place the order. And let's see if it was filled. Okay, you can see the order was filled here in Stellantis. Alright, so we'll see if it closes below the $20 mark, or if I can close this for a profit. If the stock goes away, that's okay too, because I'm kind of over Stellantis now that the merger with Peugeot is finalized, the France company. Not too thrilled with that merger. So I'm okay with this. We'll see what happens. And if I need to, I can sell the rest of the stock later. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.